Once upon a time, in a small, quiet village, there lived a boy named Kabir. He was poor, so poor that most days his pockets were empty, his shoes had holes, and his torn school bag hung loosely from his shoulder. Some nights he even went to bed hungry. But there was one thing inside Kabir that no one could see: his dream. He wanted to do something big in life, something that could change his destiny and the destiny of his family. Yet, whenever Kabir shared his dream, people laughed. They said, "A boy with empty pockets shouldn't dream of big things. You should only worry about your next meal." Their words hurt him deeply. But somewhere inside, Kabir believed that his future didn't have to look like his present. One evening, Kabir sat alone by the riverbank, lost in sadness. Just then, an old, wise teacher named Guruji walked by. Seeing Kabir's downcast face, he asked softly, "My child, why do you look so troubled?" Kabir replied, "Guruji, everyone says I can't do anything great because I'm poor. They say my dreams are too big for a boy with nothing in his hands." Guruji smiled gently and handed him a mirror. He said, "Look into this." Kabir looked and replied, "I see myself." Guruji asked, "Do you see the pain in your eyes?" Kabir nodded slowly. Guruji said, "Now look deeper. Can you see the fire hidden behind that pain?" Kabir looked again, and this time he truly saw it. A small, determined flame burning quietly within him. Guruji said, "That fire is your belief. Most people ignore it and give up. But if you protect this fire, feed it with courage and discipline, it will light your path even in the darkest nights." He continued, "People will try to cover your mirror with dust, their doubts, their negativity. Don't let them. Keep cleaning it with your actions. See your true self every day and never forget what you are capable of." Kabir held on to those words as if they were a treasure. From that day, he lived by them. He began reading every book he could find, practiced writing, learned from every mistake, and dreamed not just to pass his exams, but to change his family's fate. Life wasn't easy. His mother was often sick, and medicines were hard to afford. His father, an old farmer, worked from sunrise to sunset, yet came home with empty hands. He knew he had to become their hope. Every morning he went to school. In the evenings, he worked at a small tea stall, washing glasses and serving customers. On weekends, he learned from a local mechanic to gain skills. And every night, under a dim, flickering lamp, he studied while the whole village slept. He sacrificed sleep, comfort, and even food, but never his dream. That mirror, that fire, was always in front of him. Years went by. Kabir slowly started a small mobile repair shop in one corner of the village. He saved every rupee carefully, worked tirelessly, treated every customer with respect, and reinvested every bit he earned. His hard work began to bloom. From one shop, he opened 3. Then he launched his own brand of mobile accessories. The same people who once laughed at him now stood outside his office waiting for a chance to work with him. His mother's treatment became regular, his father no longer had to toil under the sun. One day, Guruji came to visit him. Kabir greeted him with deep respect. Guruji smiled and said, "You see, Kabir, the world tries to make poor boys think small. But those who dare to dream big rewrite their story. You are proof that success is never measured by the money in your pocket, but by the vision in your heart." So, my dear friends, if you felt even a spark of hope in your heart today, don't keep it to yourself. Share this story with someone who needs courage. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join me on this journey of strength and wisdom.